pseudomorph collection. Clay soil sand, heat it up the way nature does. And watch it stack itself. Exogenic plasmoidial crystalline structures. What does your plasma make? Other than Jim Jones Kool-Aid. That doesn't eradicate or do nothing for our Wuhan virus. But you dumb motherfuckers are still drinking it. Oh, Keshe Space Program, the inventor of the COVID-19. Idiots drinking that shit, spraying it everywhere, putting it in the food. That's why all the meat packing places are getting infected, people. It's coming from China and Iran and Russia and Brazil. They're feeding the animals and giving it to the produce is why people are getting sick. But anyhow, keep drinking that Keshe Space Program Kool-Aid and spraying it around everywhere. Just helping kill humankind off. It don't do shit. It's not plasma. It don't do this to things. Because only plasmoidials make plasmoidials. So, wake up, kids. It's called Trial by Stone, motherfuckers. Wake up. Trial by Crystal. If you're supposedly making plasma, then it should be able to take fucking dirt and turn it into crystal. Like this is. Like lightning does. Because it's a plasma. Right? Keep drinking that Kool-Aid. Stupid motherfuckers. You're killing off the world and the motherfucking human genome. And some bullshit that can't do this to clay. But remember, we're clay. Clay evolves. Crystal. Anyhow. Keep drinking the Kool-Aid. And we're going to keep making this. And showing. And building off-world and in-world. Y'all with your little metals and so forth and understand it's a crystal, or even how to evolve dirt into a crystal, or a crystal back in the dirt. Love and light.